In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a status in Jira. If you're managing a project and need to customize workflows, adding a new status is a vital step. Follow along as we dive into this process to ensure your project flows smoothly and efficiently. First, navigate to the project you're working on within Jira. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see three dots, commonly known as the ellipsis menu. Clicking on this will provide a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Project Settings. This is your gateway to customizing and configuring how work is tracked in your project environment. Now, once in the project settings, you'll need to select Issue Types from the left-hand menu. Issue types help classify and track specific types of tasks, whether they are bugs, features, or other work items in your project. After selecting issue types, a list of all the issue types associated with your project will appear. Choose the specific issue type you wish to modify by clicking on it. This step is crucial as it determines which aspect of your workflow will receive the new status. With your desired issue type selected, look for the Edit Workflow option. Clicking this will open the Workflow Editor. Here is where the magic happens. At the top of the Workflow Editor, you'll see a toolbar. This toolbar allows you to select a status category. Status categories in Jira are essential as they signal the stage of an issue in your workflow. Your options are typically To Do, In Progress, or Done. Select the category that best represents where your new status will fit. Next, it's time to give your new status a name. Enter a name that best describes what this status will represent within your workflow and make sure it's clear and understandable for all team members. Once you have decided on a name, proceed by clicking the Add button. Congratulations! Your new status is now part of the issue types workflow. Optional. You may need to configure transitions. Transitions define how issues move from one status to another. To add transitions, click on the status you've just created. In the right panel, locate the plus button next to transitions. This allows you to add new transitions or edit existing ones, making sure issues flow logically and seamlessly between different statuses. Finally, after adding and configuring your new status and its transitions, ensure to click on Update Workflow. This crucial step saves all your changes and makes them live for your project. By following these steps, you have successfully added a new status to your Jira project, tailoring it to better suit your team's needs and workflows. Continue exploring Jira's many features to further enhance your project management experience.